A legal icon, a hard-working jurist who has established a reputation for being fair-minded, courteous, and outstanding. These are just a few adjectives that have been used to describe Justice Oludotun Adefope-Okojie on the occasion of her 70th birthday and her retirement from the Nigerian judiciary. She served the judiciary for 27 years and the last 9 of those years at the Court of Appeal. So it was befitting for that court to honor her with a valedictory court session to mark her exit from the bench. Here are some of the highlights from that session.
Gathered here in this courtroom of the Court of Appeal, Lagos Division, are members of the executive, legislature, and of course, the judiciary. Is the valedictory court session organized by the Court of Appeal to honor Justice Oludotun Adefope-Okojie following her meritorious service to the bench. The President of the Court of Appeal, Justice Monica Dongban-Mensem, is represented here by the presiding justice of the Lagos Division, and in a speech he read on her behalf, Justice Dongban-Mensem described the valedictorian, among other things, as an admirable jurist with a stellar career on the bench.
Honorable Justice Adefope-Okojie has established a reputation as a hard-working, fair-minded, courteous jurist who has made outstanding contributions to our legal system and the administration of justice.
Other senior lawyers also took turns to x-ray the valedictorian's legal career of over 4 decades.
At the Court of Appeal, my Lord is leaving a footprint of courage and fairness. With the same vigor that my Lord dissected life legal issues, was the same way my Lord contributed to our legal jurisprudence. In her Lordship's book, Civil Litigation, a quick reference, is one of the ways that her Lordship has put out her experience in print, in addition to her Lordship's judgment.
I am pleased to say that Honorable Justice Oludotun Adefope-Okojie, JCA, has a positive, impactful, and honorable legacy. My Lord's career spanned different aspects of the law, from litigation to corporate law, in the Ministry of Justice, as an employee in a law firm, and eventually as the proprietor of a law firm.
We note that you are retired, but you're certainly not tired. You are retired only from your position as a judicial officer within the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We believe that actually you are retired, as in R-E-T-Y-R-E-D. That is, you'll be putting on new tires for new directions. We wish your ladyship well, and we look forward to meeting you in other aspects of legal practice.
The governor of Ogun State, Governor Dapo Abiodun, says the state is proud of the contributions of this brilliant jurist.
My Lord, from all accounts, is a very upright woman, a very forthright jurist who discharged her duties with courage and integrity. She, at the same time, willingly mentored a lot of young and aspiring lawyers. And this in itself is very noteworthy. We want to thank you, my Lord, for being a good ambassador of the Gateway State.
In her valedictory speech, Justice Adefope-Okojie went down memory lane, recalling her time at the bar and the bench. She also spoke about some of the reforms she would like to see in the judiciary.
Now, I cannot end my address without expressing my pains and that of the general public on the pace of justice delivery in the court. If the truth be told, our pace of justice delivery is in total paralysis. It is not acceptable that a case averagely takes more than 5 years to conclude a trial, more than 3 years minimum in the Court of Appeal, and averagely about 12 years in the Supreme Court, given a conservative figure. A country that seeks foreign investment must get its court system functional, accelerated, and receptive to the needs of the people, both domestic and international. No nation wants to invest in a country where judicial disputes take forever to conclude or at all. Almost every case goes to the appeal court and the Supreme Court. This should not be. There is no reason why motions for injunction, stay of proceedings, landlord and tenant should go beyond the high courts. The NBA is charged, in conjunction with meeting with the bench, to determine this issue expeditiously. Please don't kill our judges. Don't kill the justices. And with a view to working with the National Assembly for amendment of the laws to this effect.
Justice Adefope-Okojie, a celebrated author, was called to the bar in 1976. She served at the Ministry of Justice, Jos, Plateau State, before venturing into private legal practice. After 20 years, she joined the bench in 1996 when she was appointed a judge of the High Court of Lagos.